Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 33-piece Umite cookware set. So here's everything that comes in the box. Here we got this little mixing. They are silicone covered. There's the handles are wooden. We do have this, we can put everything in here. We got some little hooks, measuring cups. So there's all the different measuring cup sizes. We've got some measuring spoons, tongs here. And then here's all the different, there's a ladle. Again, it's a silicone with a wooden handle. Here's the spatulas. That is pretty flexible, but it's rigid right through here. Another ladle. Yep, this is a really nice set. Here's for putting on some barbecue sauce. Another spoon. Pretty flexible at the end, but rigid right through here. Another open one here. Here's the spoon here. We can see, yeah, that's pretty rigid. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.